Hey there! Have you ever noticed how in the fall the trees look like they're wearing their fanciest clothes? Those vibrant reds, yellows, and oranges are all because of something really cool called photosynthesis. You see, during the spring and summer, trees are like little factories working hard to make their own food. They use something called chlorophyll, which is like their special ingredient for making food. Chlorophyll is green, so it gives leaves that lovely green color we see most of the year. But when fall comes around, something magical happens. The days start to get shorter and there's not as much sunlight. This tells the trees it's time to get ready for winter. So, they stop making as much chlorophyll because they don't need as much food. As the chlorophyll fades away, it reveals other colors that were there all along, hiding behind the green. Those beautiful reds, yellows, and oranges, they were just waiting for their turn in the spotlight. So, when you see those colorful leaves falling from the trees in the fall, it's like nature's way of saying goodbye to summer and getting ready for winter. It's a pretty amazing show put on by the trees, don't you think?